Hey, how's everyone doing? Taylor coming at you from OA Cheddar. We are going to go over the OA Cheddar free lead of the day today. I got my email open, so I'm going to go ahead and click my button. All right, here we are on the list. Free lead of the day is coming from Michaels.com. Looks like it has a 90-day average rank of 54,000 in the office products category. Cost is going to be $2.69. Hopefully going to be selling it at $14.93 at $4.81 for your net profit with an ROI of 179%. So let's dive in and see what we got. Before I go too much further, we do have a coupon code today. Looks like we're going to get an additional 10% off. This cost does reflect that price already. So let's go ahead and we'll look at what the source website looks like. First, we're going to start with the Amazon listing, just so we can get a baseline. So, looks like it is a set of rings for a planner. Medium disc, rose gold, crate 365. Not very many photos or images on this. There's only one, so that can be a little tricky. Let's go ahead and hop over to michaels.com, see what comes up here. Looks like the exact same photo. The happy planner, 9 pieces. Rose gold, 9 pieces, rose gold. So that looks good there. Let's see if there's any other ways we can match it up. I don't see any UPC codes on Michaels.com or anything obvious like that. So I'm going to go down here into the description and read a little up on it. Looks like we're looking at 9 rings. They should be 1 1/4 inch in diameter, rose gold in color, and made out of plastic. So let me hop over here and we'll go down to the bullet points on the Amazon listing. I see that we have 1 1/4 inch in diameter. That's a match. 9 plastic rings. That's good. You know what? Everything points towards this is just an easy match. So now I'm going to go ahead and look down here at Keepa. Now I'm buying this $2.99. Then I get additional 10% off. So we should be looking around $2.69 for our product. So I'm going to type that into RevSeller real quick. So again, ROI, everything matches up. I'm going to roll down here to Keepa, and I'm looking at the all day or the all history. So that's 325 days for this listing, and I see that the lowest that the price ever got was about $12.95. Well, at $12.95, we're definitely still profitable, and everything looks good there. So I'm going to go ahead and just investigate this. Oh, actually, it looks like I was wrong. It looks like at one point it sold to $8, but for the majority of the time it's selling above $12. Let's look at the last 3 months. Last 3 months look good. Looks like there's plenty of sales here. It doesn't look like it is ultra fast in moving. This is above, average to a little above average. I would say you're pretty safe getting a few of these. Now, when I'm looking, yeah, everything looks good here. So profit-wise looks good. Let's hop back over to Michaels.com. It is in stock. I'm gonna buy about 12 of these. Let's just do that. We'll add that to cart real quick, and then we'll go through the coupon, checking out with a coupon. So I'm gonna view cart and check out. Few more here than I want. That was from previous. Okay, so I have 15 in cart. First thing I need to do is make sure I enter my promo code. So I'm going to go back to our list. That is going to be, grab that real quick. Paste that right here. Hit apply. Okay. So it did take, my promo code was applied. I got an additional 10% off. One thing I'm noticing here right off the bat though is that I am paying for shipping. So I don't want to be paying for shipping. That is definitely not a cost I want to take in on. So I'm looking and I see that right here, the online orders, anything over $49 is going to get me free shipping. I was going to buy 15 of these. I'm really close to that $50 mark as it is. I'm going to go ahead and just purchase the last few more. I'm going to only have to buy about 3, I want to say. Let's update this to 18. Looks like I'm going to do one more, 19. Alright, now I have free shipping. I'm ordering 19 of these. It's worth it for me to have the extra, and instead of paying for shipping, I'm going to take that money, I'm going to invest it in inventory. So I had to get the amount that I needed to get the free shipping. I got 10% off, so everything looks good there. Quick little bonus for this video. One thing I always do before I make a purchase is I check to see if there's any coupons that maybe I'm missing. Now, our team does a great job finding coupons and adding them to the list every day, but they do work in the nighttime, and so sometimes in the morning they might have some new coupons, new deals that come out. So I always check Retail Me Now or other coupon sites to see if I'm getting the right deal. So I'm going to come here into my search bar, I'm going to type in Michaels. Automatically pops up underneath here, so I'm going to select it. Now, right now, first thing that catches my eye is today only, 40% off all regular price items. If I'm not mistaken, I'm going to go back to our product that we were looking at purchasing. I believe, yep. Okay, so we're not purchasing this for the regular price. Regular price is $4.99. We're actually purchasing this for $2.99, the sell price, and then getting an additional 10% off. So that 40% doesn't work for me for regular price items, for at least for this exact one. But what that does tell me is I should probably take some time out of my day-to-day and look at and scour through the Michaels website and see if there's any possible products there that I can get an additional 40% on and then resell on Amazon for profit. So I'm just going to scroll down to make sure I'm not missing anything else. Yes, regular price, regular price. Looks like they're having a pretty big sale today. It's not going to help us in this exact situation for this exact product, but there is a lot of stuff that could possibly be sourced from Michaels, and just being able to go and check to see what any deals are going on, I'm able to take advantage of something that's a exclusive one-day only sale or coupon code. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, comment below. Other than that, you have a good rest of your day. I'll see you later.